if I met God, I ask God.
I would ask.
I would ask God, uh, send me back to my childhood because I want to live my childhood again because it was a golden memory for me. And second wish I would ask for my daughter. She will be able to achieve each and every goal in her life.
She should be.
She should able to achieve each and every goal or success in her life, and she will sir, how can I say कि वो अच्छी इंसान भी बने.
She should.
She
She should
no, she should make a good human.
good human.
बट शबी इसको हम ऐसे कह सकते हैं, फर्स्ट थिंग आई वुड आस्क फॉर, जो आपने भी मांगा, मतलब आई वुड आस्क फॉर गोइंग बैक टू माई चाइल्डहुड. सेकेंड थिंग आई वुड आस्क फॉर माई डॉटर, और आई वुड आस्क फॉर सक्सेस, good human values, and she should become a good human too, right? Something like that. थोड़ा सा शॉर्ट में करके हम we can tell that for you.
Okay.